In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact MailerLite effectively, ensuring you get the help you need as efficiently as possible. Whether you're facing an issue or just need some guidance, following these steps will connect you with the right resources. First, open your web browser and type in the URL to access your MailerLite account dashboard. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, let's move on to the next step. The dashboard is your main workspace. And from here, you can manage all your campaigns, email lists, and other features MailerLite offers. Navigating this space effectively can make a big difference in how you manage your communications. Now on the dashboard, look to the top right corner. You should see a small icon or text labeled Help. Click on this link. It's designed to be your quick access point for any issues you may have. The Help option is a critical feature, especially when you need assistance navigating through various features or troubleshooting unexpected issues. Once you've clicked on Help, a drop-down menu may appear. From these options, select Help Center. The Help Center is a robust resource provided by MailerLite. Here you can find a comprehensive database of articles and frequently asked questions that cover a wide range of topics, from troubleshooting common problems to learning about new features. Exploring the Help Center can independently resolve many common queries without waiting for a response from customer support. If browsing through articles isn't solving your problem, don't worry. Look for a search bar at the top of the Help Center page. This search bar allows you to type your specific question or keyword related to your issue. Simply enter your query, and it should pull up relevant articles or guides specific to your concern. This can often lead to a quicker resolution by directing you to precise resources. However, if your question requires more personalized assistance beyond the Help Center, your next step is to click on Email Support. This option allows you to send a specific query or describe your issue in detail to the support team. Crafting a clear and concise email with all necessary details will help ensure a faster and more effective response. Finally, to initiate direct contact with MailerLite's support team, click on Email Support Team. This action will bring up a form or a direct email link. Here you can compose your message. Remember to be as precise as possible about the issue you're facing. Include any relevant details such as error messages or steps leading up to the problem. A well-documented issue is easier for the support team to address, leading to a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you'll connect efficiently with MailerLite's resources and solutions, ensuring you make the most of their support services. Don't hesitate to reach out whenever you encounter a challenge. The support team is always ready to assist.